Sister wives. Christine and Kody's legal battle gets intense. Court classifies it as a significant custody dispute. Hello friends, welcome to the Daily Gossip News Update. I am Olivia and hope you are well by God's grace. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Christine Brown had a face-off with her former husband, Kody Brown, in court over a legal battle. Christine filed a custody case for their youngest daughter, Kody Brown. She sued her ex for custody, paternity, and child support in September. Since then, fans have eagerly awaited updates on the TLC star's legal battle. Christine has been fighting to prove her daughter's relationship with Kody through a paternity test to secure child support. She sought financial support for Kody to ensure her future and facilitate proper visitation from her father. As a result, the TLC star had a court hearing on Wednesday. However, the situation took a dramatic turn when the court elevated the case's status from normal to significant. Kody and Robyn spotted in Utah amid legal battle. Sister Wives star Christine Brown has been living in Utah with her husband David Woolley. She has dragged her ex-husband, Kody, to court for Kody's custody battle. The exes were scheduled to face off in court for a hearing. Recently, a Redditor spotted Kody at a Walmart in Utah. They were shopping together at the store. Many fans speculated that Kody must have been in Utah for the court hearing. However, the image appeared to be an older photo. One fan commented, "Wasn't this last summer? I mean, the people have shorts on in this picture." Another user noted that no one would wear shorts in December in Utah and pointed out that the hearing was held online. So what happened at the court hearing? Sister Wives star Kody Brown's legal battle with Christine Brown has intensified. They attended the court hearing online. According to the Ashleys, the TLC star's lawyers discussed the case's progress during the session. Kody and Christine had completed the necessary disclosures and were scheduled to attend a mediation conference on May 21, 2025. Court documents revealed that the case was classified under the Track 1 and Track 3 categories. Track 1 is considered standard, while Track 3 is reserved for cases with the highest level of conflict or requiring significant negotiation and consideration. Christine filed the court case in September, requesting a declaration of paternity, child support, parenting time, and financial support for Kody Brown. Kody was required to take a paternity test to confirm Kody was his daughter, as his name was not listed on her birth certificate due to his spiritual marriage to Christine. Additionally, he made a maternity-related payment in October. Fans of the series are likely to learn more about the proceedings in the upcoming season. The court has ordered both parties to keep the information private, reducing the likelihood of seeing detailed updates about the case on TV. Furthermore, the reality TV stars risk fines or jail time if they disclose any information from the legal proceedings. Why Sister Wives Robyn Brown didn't let Christine watch her kids. Robyn Brown joined the family during Sister Wives Season 1. She brought along 3 young children, adding to an already large family of 12 kids. Christine Brown, on the other hand, was preparing to welcome her youngest, Kody. At that time, Christine served as the primary caregiver for the children and embraced the role wholeheartedly. Adding 3 more kids to her care might not have seemed overwhelming. However, Robyn strongly opposed Christine watching over her children, sparking curiosity among fans about the reasons behind this decision. In the early seasons of Sister Wives, each wife played a distinct role within the family. Christine found joy in nurturing the children, and this is evident in the strong bonds she shares with them even now. In contrast, Robyn's children have grown up more isolated, with limited social interactions outside their immediate family. One Sister Wives fan took to Reddit to ask, "Why didn't Robyn want Christine to watch her kids? Did I miss something?" This sparked a discussion, though no definitive answers emerged. Fans offered several theories. Christine would have had access to what was going on at Kody and Robyn's place if she watched the kids. She would know how often they spent time together and went out together. The kids might also spill secrets about Robyn and Kody too. A nanny allows for more privacy. No one knows. Robyn never answers a single damn question. Christine confronted Robyn about the fact that she was hurt that Robyn did not ask her to help with her kids at all and told her she wanted to help. Robyn said, "Are you serious? Are we really doing this now?" And then said nothing and pretended to be an amnesia patient. Because if Christine had been a mother to Robyn's kids like she was to Janelle's and Leon, they would have sided with Christine during the conflict. Over the years, Robyn's adult children, Dayton, Aurora, and Brianna, have shown signs of limited social engagement. While Dayton no longer appears on the show, Aurora and Brianna remain close to their parents' home. Notably, this season highlighted their dependence on Robyn's permission to engage in basic social activities, such as attending church or meeting new people, despite being in their 20s. This unique dynamic continues to fascinate Sister Wives fans, leaving many to wonder about the deeper implications of Robyn's parenting decisions. Sister Wives Robyn Brown Unhinged goes ham on fans. Sister Wives star Robyn Brown often gets overcome by her deep feelings. In the last episode, Mary Brown called her out on the carpet for her shifty behavior. Now, fans show she is unhinged after she went all ham on fans she believes were trolling her. Robyn Brown wears her emotions on her sleeve. While it is no secret to Sister Wives fans that Robyn Brown is packed with emotions, she shows how truly unhinged she is during a tweet war. Although Kody Brown talks about his sweet, shy wife, fans have seen too much to buy into the Season 19 narrative. On Blogger.com, Robyn Brown claps back at people who call her out. First, a user says, "Shocking." Member of Sister Wives crew goes full tilt nutso on Twitter. Then they add, "This must be so embarrassing for the Sister Wives. Yeppers, we are talking an all-out thermonuclear Twitter war that was waged by the new legal bride of Kody. Here are a sample of her tweets. Please note, the names and faces were blotted out to protect the rest of the Brown crew from being totally embarrassed by this sad attempt for attention by the new missus. Sometimes one should put the asterisk and phone down and just go to bed alone." After the blogger began, they pointed out plenty of interactions on social media that didn't have the reaction she hoped to get. For instance, she explained her tears weren't scripted. Instead, they were a Fulmer trait. As many fans know, Robyn and her mother Alice Sullivan have many similarities. Seemingly, Sister Wives star Robyn Brown was trying to set the record straight. She shot off multiple tweets about how her family was baffled by the perception of the public. Likewise, she points out some of the mean things that people have claimed about her that have built up and caused the tears. However, the blogger points out that Robyn Brown frequently blocks anyone who disagrees with her, but also thinks that her examples of hurtful comments are precisely why people don't like her. The blogger says, "Truth hurts, doesn't it?" Furthermore, they believe she is hated, a homewrecker, manipulative, and at the root of the family's demise. During the tweet war, some Sister Wives fans call Robyn Brown out for being misleading and Kody Brown's favorite. She pleads with the troll to give specific examples of why they think she is Kody's favorite wife. While Sister Wives star Robyn Brown was poking back at the Twitter user, they were happy to oblige when she asked for examples. They call her out for dragging her kids through a publicized custody battle. Both Robyn and the Twitter users go back and forth about Kody wanting to adopt Dayton, Aurora, and Brianna. Furthermore, some of the misleading areas were the legal divorce and custody of Robyn Brown's kids. For instance, the user calls her out about wanting the legal divorce, even though she hasn't shown that David Preston Jessup is okay with giving up parental rights. Instead, she deflects and says it was Mary Brown's plan. Undeniably, Robyn Brown stayed engaged a little too long. She entertained the banter back and forth and revealed that she and Kody went away on a dream vacation to Hawaii. While trying to sway viewers to believe the family was doing great, she spilled the tea about jetting off for her birthday, which didn't help her argument of not being the favorite wife. Within the tweets, she also sent 2 selfies to prove it was her. Fans think Kody Brown makes Robyn's girls uncomfortable. Sister Wives viewers certainly find Kody Brown uncomfortable. But is it possible that Robyn's oldest daughters feel the same way? During their scenes this season, fans couldn't help but notice that Aurora and Brianna always speak as if they're in pain or on the verge of tears. Does Kody have anything to do with the girls' demeanor? When Robyn Brown initially brought her 3 oldest children into the family, they seemed like average kids. But Brianna and Aurora's appearances as adults in season 19 have fans scratching their heads. What's influencing their strange behavior? Robyn couldn't even let the girls talk. One Sister Wives viewer posted on Reddit, "Why did Robyn need to be there for when the girls were finding a church? She couldn't let them go alone or sit in a pew. Just let them at least talk and do the explaining/asking while she sat beside them." These are college students, and they certainly have the mental capacity to think for themselves or ask questions that are important to them. The OP went on to discuss how self-centered Robyn made the entire scene. They added they wouldn't be surprised if Kody and Robyn interjected and made them leave if they didn't approve of a church Brianna and Aurora chose. It was rude even after her daughter cried about how meaningful her experience was at church. Kody was still pushing her into an LDS and Mormon environment and telling both girls where he thought they belonged. "You can tell they are not comfortable with him like he thinks," the OP added. At the end of the day, many fans believe Kody and Robyn Brown are the ultimate helicopter parents. There could be a wide range of reasons for their pained behavior on camera. Other Redditors added their opinions, including, "Well, we know from Sen that Aurora meets and dates a young man at the church they select. At least Saul and the older girls attend the same church. The girls play in the church band. It's kind of a boring storyline, but it's something. They look like they are terrified of the wind. They're so afraid there might be a spin-off without their names on the check." The main reason Sisters Wives Kody Brown cried hugging Mary. Fans of Sister Wives believe they've discovered the true reason Kody Brown became emotional while bidding farewell to Mary Brown. During their goodbye, Kody unexpectedly broke down in tears, surprising many viewers. However, fans are convinced his emotional display wasn't entirely genuine. Over the years, Kody Brown's reputation among Sister Wives viewers has significantly shifted. Once the patriarch of a large polygamous family, Kody is now seen as the antagonist of the series. His relationships with his wives have crumbled, leaving him with only one Robyn. This season has laid bare his strained relationships, not just with his former wives, but also with many of his children. Fans have noted his lack of connection with several of his kids, a situation that even Robyn, his remaining wife, has criticized. The family's turmoil has kept audiences engaged, but it has also painted Kody in an increasingly unfavorable light. During his emotional farewell to Mary, Kody's tears became a focal point of discussion among fans. Many have theorized about the real reason for his reaction. Relief over the separation. "He's just crying out of relief here," speculated one fan. Financial concerns. Another fan suggested, "He's crying over losing the income of yet another wife." A shocking realization. I think reality hit that Mary was always in his corner, no matter how terribly he treated her. He never expected her to actually leave. The end of manipulation. If any emotion was actually involved, it was disappointment that his manipulation didn't work forever. These interpretations reflect a common sentiment among viewers. Kody's tears may have been less about genuine loss and more about the practical and emotional fallout of Mary's departure. Despite Kody's tearful display, fans remain skeptical. "Funny how he didn't want Mary and she wanted to stay," one viewer pointed out. But Christine and Janelle wanted to leave, and he wanted them to stay. Mary was the last to leave. I think he's realizing that his whole life is a sham. The consensus among fans is clear. Kody's breakdown wasn't convincing. As one viewer aptly put it, he just was looking for another way to make it all about him. Kody Brown's emotional farewell to Mary may have stirred up conversation, but for many fans, His tears only solidified his role as the show's central antagonist. Sister Wives TLC demanded Christine Brown clean her house. Does Sister Wives star Christine Brown have a cleanliness issue in her home? A new video from Tony and Mykelti has some viewers shocked and appalled. Over the last few seasons of Sister Wives, fans noticed they film inside home less frequently. In fact, many scenes take place in restaurants or stores. Mykelti's live saying TLC told her to hire help. A Reddit user posted online. Mykelti and her husband posted a live saying that not only in her home, but Christine's as well, her mom's. TLC told them they had to physically hire help because their home wasn't being cleaned properly. The OP went on to discuss how they found it odd that Christine couldn't enlist her 6 children to pitch in and help with the cleaning. Apparently, TLC told Mykelti and Christine that their house was so dirty that if they didn't hire help, they were worried it caused fans to cause CPS or child services to come take a look at the house, or just extreme backlash with fans. This isn't shocking considering David even made a comment saying how gross their house was. But I can't believe Christine's house was dirty like that as well. The OP continued. They attached a video of Mykelti and Tony Padron discussing the situation on a live stream. We were actually told by higher-ups in the show that our house needs to be cleaner, Mykelti explained. So that's actually when Mom started hiring help as well. The sad reality is that statement is, I get it, Tony chimed in. Because you could get social services calling you just because your house is kinda messy, and it was on TV. Viewers acknowledged that messes happened from time to time, especially with such a large family. But it was indicative of a much larger problem if the network felt the need to intervene. Their houses shouldn't be that filthy where TLC is worried about child services being called repeatedly. Yet people have given so much crap to Mary because she likes her home clean and in order. If I had to guess, TLC or whoever probably said people would call CPS because fans are crazy. I'm sure they did not mean their house was so atrocious that they would get their kids taken away, but that hatters pick on anything and everything. Wonder if that's another reason why Robyn didn't film inside her home lol. She wasn't about to spend more money on something like cleaners.